This literature kit on The Pigman by Pause and Dell includes comprehension questions that allow for good discussions. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Identify the literary device being used for particular sections of the novel. Describe Mr. Pignati from John's perspective. Imagine alternatives to John and his dad's relationship if his dad had a less stressful job. Find synonyms to key vocabulary words found in the novel. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as writing a diary entry from the point of view of Mr. Pignati. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Create an accurate timeline of events that take place throughout the story. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.